Hey everybody, Di Manuel here, otherwise known as Coach Moose.
Hello, and I'm Christy. We're from Vancouver, Canada, and thank you so much for joining us on the Whole Life Fitness Manifesto.
Whether it's day 1 or day 181, it doesn't matter because it's not a progressive program. It's a lifestyle program, and it incorporates an investment in you first and foremost every day. 2% of your 24 hours, 30 minutes. 15 minutes of movement with purpose. The workouts are provided, so you're going to know how to do it. And as far as the where to do it, man, your living room is a great place. As long as you can put down a towel, lay it out flat on the floor, you got enough space to do the program. As well as there'll be 5 minutes of mindfulness or meditation, followed by 10 minutes of personal development. That's 30 minutes, goes by fast, but each and every day for the next 60, you'll be following through with that commitment.
And no shame, no blame. Just do your best, one day at a time, honestly. Just dig deep, find out what time, and make it happen.
And I've been getting some messages from people that relates to the week 0 and the baseline testing and the photos. Christy, what do we want to remind them about that?
Really try to get it done, especially the photos. Because if anything, I think that's what the feedback is over the past 3 other phases, is how happy, as comfortable as it was, people are thrilled that they have those starting point pictures and baseline scores.
Yeah, just think about it this way. You have a GPS, you got to get to a destination. What do you do first? Well, you got to plug in where you want to go. But for it to make sense, you got to know where you began. And that's where the baseline testing comes into play. We all need a foundational piece for our own health to know where we're beginning, that basement, if you will. And from there, we can build on literally the lifestyle that we want, leading with health first and foremost. So whether you get it in right now or not, fair enough. I know life is busy and some of you just signed up right up to the cutoff time. No worries. Get it in when you can this week. Just add it in on one of your days. Get the test results in. That way, at the end of 60 days, when we retest, you'll know how you progressed. And those photos, you don't have to send them to us. We just throw it out there to make sure you've done it. We're not sharing them with anybody, but they're for you. And you're going to like having those later to see the progress. Because sometimes there's going to be days where you get discouraged, you feel like things aren't going your way, the scale's not working, whatever. Trust me, as long as you're investing that 30 minutes a day, good things are going to happen.
So thank you again for committing and having the courage to join us. Reach out anytime.
And don't forget, the download link is in this email, or if you're watching this video just on YouTube, go back to the email that you got the link to this video, and there's a link to the week 1 PDF, which has everything that you'll need to know in order to complete week 1 effectively, efficiently, but with ultimate awesomeness. Ultimate awesomeness? I like it. Works for me. Anyways, reach out anytime. We'll see you inside the tribe, and peace out, everybody.
Bye.